What is the legal definition of consent? Have you ever wondered what consent really means in a legal context? Understanding the legal definition of consent is essential, especially when it comes to customer service and handling sensitive information. Consent is a voluntary and willful agreement by an individual in response to a proposal or action by another party. For consent to be considered legally valid, the person giving it must have the mental capacity to understand what they are agreeing to. This means they need to be free from any form of coercion, fraud, or error. In simpler terms, consent must be given freely without any pressure or deception. The individual must also have a clear understanding of the situation they are agreeing to. Consent can be expressed into main forms, express and implied. Express consent is given explicitly, either verbally or in writing, clearly indicating agreement. For example, if a customer signs a form to allow a business to use their personal data, that is express consent. On the other hand, implied consent is inferred from a person's actions or circumstances, even if it is not directly stated. For instance, if a customer provides their email address to receive a newsletter, it can be assumed they consent to receive that communication. In the context of customer service and data privacy, obtaining clear and informed consent from customers is vital. This ensures that agreements are valid and that personal information is handled ethically and legally. The consent must be freely given, clearly defined, fully informed, and unambiguous. This means customers should know exactly what they are agreeing to and understand the purpose behind it. Properly managing consent is important for respecting customers' rights and protecting their sensitive information. It also helps build trust between businesses and their customers. When customers feel secure about how their information is handled, they are more likely to engage positively with the business. In summary, legally, consent is a clear, voluntary, and informed agreement given without coercion. This is fundamental in contracts, privacy, and ethical business practices. In customer service, this translates into careful management of customer permissions regarding their personal information and interactions.